Peace be unto everyone, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing? This time I would like to talk about procrastination. By the way, it is safe, Jamin. Procrastination. When we say procrastination, we mean waiting, which I think is irritates many people in life, more especially the youths. We the youths. Procrastination is just one letter longer than the opportunities, and willingly permit it drives away your good luck. The spirit of procrastination besieges all men. We deserve riches, but yet how often when opportunity does appear before us? Yes, we all want to be a rich, but we are waiting to start something that is important. That spirit of procrastination from within does urge various delays in our acceptance. In obeying with procrastination, we become our own worst enemies. Yes, of course. When we are waiting, we are delaying for something, then we become our own worst enemies. However, procrastination is not difficult to conquer. Once you understand it is the character, no man willingly permits the thief rob him of his wares. Nor does any man willingly permit enemy to drive away his customers and rob him of his earnings. Once you recognize such acts as your enemy, with determination you will conquer it. So most every youth conquers the legion of procrastination in him before he can accept to share in the rich things of life. So you see, this is procrastination. And let me give you one story of one person who always planned many ambitions in his life. I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do this, I want to do that. He planned many things in his life with the ambition to see that he can achieve it. But when he finished, he then keep it aside and said, I should do it by the next 2 years coming. And when the years reach, he won't do it because at that time he is too busy to do another things. So you see the effects of procrastination. If you are a procrastinator, then you have adopted the motto of putting up everything that is important until the last minute. Let me repeat it again. If you are a procrastinator, then you have adopted the motto of putting up everything that is important until the last minute. When you don't have any time left, you will find yourself welcoming any urgent request for your time, because that is a justification you need to postpone a priority assignment. Procrastination, as long as the word has a way of prolonging the moment of your success. Maximizing you is the antidote of this nation. There seems to be a big war between procrastination and opportunities. When we say procrastination, we mean delaying for starting something, we mean waiting. But when we say for opportunities, we mean the chances we have, the success we need to achieve, the choice we have, that is opportunities. These two elements reside in our vicinity. I will have been lucky to make some serious inroads to my professional ladder, but procrastination has urged delays in my going out to talk to people like you. So please, I would like to encourage you that anything you plan to do, start it today. Don't delay it tomorrow, because the more you start in time, the more you will achieve your goal. At the end, I want to ask you some questions. Number one, what about the possible outcome of your plan? What about the possible outcome of your plan? Number two, and what is the next focus? Thanks for watching.